Now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classic.
Live straight classic.
I'd like to return to the classic.
Can't buy this, super flyness, like a shyness. Your highness is performing, look how long the line is. That's what happen, you make shit that's timeless. That's what happen, these rappers is the pioneers. What do it take to be a legend like Nas is? I'm so novice, I'm so polished. I got a right to be a little bit snobbish. I did a little bit of college semesters, it took 2 like Robbie's to let me figure out this wasn't my place. Beat slow till you listen to my pace, cause I be killing shit, but that's evident, and y'all feeling it, but I expected it. If it's classic, it's gon' last forever, then I'm everywhere you never been and better than I ever been.
Classic. Live straight classic.
I'm better than I ever been. It's time. I'm everywhere you never been and better than I ever been.